Let's go to page 748. Start with number 1. It says a box contains 10 slips of paper number 1 through 10. So you got 1 through 10. So that's your sample. Okay, the sample space is 1 through 10. A slip of paper is drawn at random from the box and number is noted from the probability of each event. Okay, so for part A, that it is a 2. Okay, so probability of getting a 2, okay, so event is 1, right? You only get one chance, that's only a number 2, okay, and out of 10, okay, and so that's it. So probability of getting a 2 from 10 slips is 1 out of 10. Okay, B is less than 4. Okay, so you're looking for the number is less than 4. Okay, that means your number would be 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so probability of the number is less than 4 is equal to 3 out of 10. Right? There are 3 numbers out of 10 numbers. Okay, and for C, oh wait, this is C. Okay, sorry about that. This is C. They kind of go sideways. Okay, let's go back to B. So B, it is an odd number. So E equal to odd number. Okay, well that means you're going to get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, right? So probability of odd number will equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There will be 5, right? That's what you want. Divide by the total 10. So probability of getting an odd is equal to 1/2. Okay, so you got the B and the C reversed. Okay, now, okay, let's do it up here because I don't want to keep scrolling down. Okay, so A, B, C, and let's go to do D. Okay, so D is less than 11. Okay, so answer, the number is less than 11. So in this case, the number will equal to 1 through 10, right? So all numbers are good. So that way, the probability of number less than 11 is equal to 10 out of 10. So probability of n number less than 11 is 1. 1 means guarantee. Okay. So again, when you draw the number, guarantee is going to be less than 11. Okay. So probability of 1, it means it's guaranteed it will happen. Okay, and you go to E, it's greater than 8. So number is greater than 8. Okay, that means it's going to be 9 or 10, right? Okay, so probability of number greater than 8 is equal to 2 numbers out of 10. So probability of number greater than 8 equal to 1 out of 5. Okay. Okay, now you go to F, the number between 3 and 4. Well, there's no number between 3 and 4, so there's nothing. So probability of that between 3 and 4, that's nothing, right? So it will equal to 0 out of 10. So probability that nothing is going to happen. You cannot get a number, okay? So therefore, it will equal to 0. 0 means it never happened. So this is guarantee you're going to get it. This guarantee that you're not going to get anything. Again, no matter how you draw it, you're never ever going to get a number between 3 and 4 because there's no such number in here, right? It's only 1 through 10, right? Okay. Okay, let's go to number 3. Okay, one marble drawn at random from the bag containing 4 white and 6 red and 6 green. Okay, from the probability of each event. Okay, so for A, you're looking for white. So probability of white would be, okay, what you want is white, so there are 4 of them. The overall is 16, right? And so probability of white equal to 1 over 4. Okay, for part B, it's white, red, or green. Okay, so it's white, red, or green. Okay, well, white, red, or green, you're going to get 16 out of 16. So probability of getting the white, red, or green equal to 1. Means guarantee you're going to get one of those 3 colors, right? Okay, for C, it's red or green. Okay, so probability of red or green. Okay, well, red or green, there are 12 of them, okay, and out of 16, so probability of red or green is going to be equal to 3 out of 4. Okay. Okay, let's go to D. It is not red. Okay, so here is red. So not red would be those two, right? So this two is not red, so it would be 10. So there are 10 non-red out of 16. So probability of not red will equal to 5 out of 8. Okay. Okay, for number 5, now 2 coins are tossed from the probability of each event. So that's going to find out the sample space. Okay, so each coin had 2 outcomes. So when you toss 2 coins, 2 times 2 is going to give you 4. Okay, so sample space is going to equal to 4. And if you don't see that, what you do is list them out. So you can have the head, okay, you can have the head, tail, then you can have the tail, head, and you can have the tail, right? So sample space, there are 4 of them. Okay, so that's from the probability of each event. So for A, both come up tails. Okay. So probability of 2 tails, so probability of tail and tail equal to that one of them to be 1 out of 4. Okay. Now go to B, probability of at least one coin turn up heads. Okay, so at least one head. Okay, well, look over here. So at least one head would be this one, and this one. Okay, so these 3 have at least one head, so it would be 3 out of 4. Okay, so sometimes if you have the sample space listed out, okay, sometimes it's a lot easier to do. But some problem you cannot, because sometimes the sample space is really large or complicated. Okay. But easy one like this, probably you can go ahead and list them out. Okay, for C, the coins match. Okay, the coin match. Okay, this match. So these 2 will match. Okay, so you want the 2 coins to match, so that's what you want. So there are 2 of them, and out of overall 4. Okay, so probability of match, 2 coin match will equal to 1/2. Okay. Okay, for D, the coin don't match. Okay, the coin don't match would be these 2, right? These 2 don't match. So what you want is these 2 over here. So 2 out of overall 4. So again, the probability of not matching is equal to 1/2. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so you have 1 million income tax received. So sample space equal to 1 million. Okay. This kind of writing is kind of bad. Okay, let's start over. So you have 1 million tax returns. Okay, let's say your sample space, and all are checked for accuracy. Okay, so all checked. Okay, let's see. All are checked for arithmetic accuracy, and 9,000 return. So 9,000 are checked thoroughly. Okay. For the probability again. So okay, so A, it check for arithmetic accuracy. Okay, so probability of, I'm just going to call it A. So check for accuracy would be, since all of them are checked, right, so it would be 1 million over 1 million, right? This is overall. So probability of checking for accuracy is equal to 1, okay? And B is check thoroughly. I'm going to call it T, check for thoroughly. Okay, check thoroughly would be 9,000, that's what you want, over 1 million. Okay? And so if you cancel the zeros, it will give you 9 over 1,000. Okay? I cancel the 3 zeros. Okay, now check thoroughly. Well, 9,000 I check thoroughly, so you have to use minus that. So this minus that. So again, these are the ones checked thoroughly. So you use the total minus that will give you 991,000. So this is not checked thoroughly. Okay. Okay. And therefore this will equal to 991,000 over 1 million. And say, therefore, not checked thoroughly will equal to 991 over 1,000. And notice when you combine together, we always equal to 1, right? Okay, so because the total probability, all the possible different events together would be equal to 1. Okay. Okay, number 9. Okay, so 3 coins are tossed. So again, so 3 coins tossed. So each coin has 2 outcomes, right? So 3 coins, so 2 times 2 times 2 give you 8. Okay, or you can list your sample space. So you start with head, 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 right? And then after that, you can do the 2 heads. So you start with 3 heads, no tail. Then you can have 2 heads and 1 tail, and you can rotate them, right? So you want to do it in an organized way. So start with 3 heads, no tail, then you got 1 tail, then you do the 2 tails. Okay, and you can rotate the H. Rotate the one that's single. So like when you have only 1 T, you rotate the T from here to here to here. When you have only 1 H, you rotate from here to here to here, right? So it'd be T, H, T, right? And then T, T, H. So you can start with no tail, 1 tail, 2 tails, and 3 tails. So that's your sample space, okay? So sometimes your list of it helps you. Okay, so now for A, all come up heads, okay? So A equal to 3 heads. Well, that's only 1, right? So probability of A equal to 1 out of 8. Because come up 3 heads, there's only this one here, right? Okay, probability of, okay, B, all come up tails. So B, all tails, so 3 tails. Okay. Now again, you can, the A and B are just generic. You can just use any letters, okay? So all 3 tails, again, there's only 1 of them, right? So it'll be 1 out of 8. Okay. Okay, for C, what's C? At least 1 come up tail. So at least 1 tails, okay? So at least 1 tail, greater than or equal to. At least means greater than or equal to. Okay? So probability of C will equal to, so at least 1 tail would be this one, 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 right? At least 1 tail. So it'd be 7 out of 8. Okay. Okay, now let's go to D. So technically you have to kind of point out 6. Okay. That's how you're supposed to do it. Okay. Okay, so D is exactly 2 come up heads. So you're going to look for 2 heads. Okay, so exactly 2 heads. So this one, and this one. So there are 3 of them. Okay. So probability of D will equal to, so again, 2 heads. So this one. So 3 of them. So it'll be 3 out of 8. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so a bag contains, so you have a bag. You contain 2 red, 4 yellow, and 6 blues. So 2 marbles are drawn at random. So again, whenever you're getting more than 1 item, you have to use the combination. You have to use C. Okay. So 2 marbles are drawn at random. So from the probability of each event. So both are red. So probability of 2 red will equal to. Okay, again, if you're getting confused, you remember, go back to your basic definition, right? The definition of probability is event over sample space. Okay, so event over sample space. So event is what you want. So you want the 2 red. So there are total of 2 red, and you want to choose 2. So there are total of 2 reds, and you want to choose 2 reds. Now, overall, there are 12. There are total 12, and you want to get 2. Right? Again, this is what you want, and this is overall. Again, you want to figure out each one individually so you don't end up with a decimal. Okay. Okay, so 2C2, so you go 2C2 equal 1. Okay, that's only one way of getting that. And 12C2, okay, so you go 12 C2 66. Okay, and that's it. Okay, for B, both are yellow. So probably 2 yellow with B. Okay, so you want the 2 yellow. There are 4 of them. So there are 4 yellow. Okay, there are 4 yellow, and you have to get 2, right? See, there are 4 yellow, and you want to get 2. So again, that's event. That's what you want. And over sample space, okay, so probably of 2 yellow will equal to, so 4C2 is equal to 6. Now sample space will remain the same. Once you already figured out, you can just keep using it. So sample space does not change. Okay, and so simplifying will give you 1 over 11. Okay, let's go to C. Okay, both are blue. So probability of 2 blue. Okay, so again, there are 6 blues, right? So there are 6 blues, and you want to get 2. So there are 6 blues, you want to get 2, and there are total 12, you want to get 2. So probability of 2 blues would be, okay, so 6 C2 equal to 15 over 66. And again, you can reduce. Okay, you can divide by 3, so you get 5 over 22. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go to D. 1 red and 1 is yellow. So 1 red and 1 yellow. Okay, so this will equal to, okay, so to get 1 red, there are 2 red, right? So there are 2 red, you want to get 1 red. And there are 4 yellows, and you want to get 1 yellow. Okay, and again, sample space, there are 12, 12, and you want to get 2. So probability of getting 1 red, 1 yellow is equal to 8 over 66. Okay, again, you can work it out. And you divide it by 2, you're going to get 4 over 33. Okay. Okay, let's go to E. Neither is red. So no red. Okay, so notice no red. So that means you have to get the either yellow or blue. So there are 10 of them. Okay, so there are 10 of them. So there are 10 no red, none red, and you want to choose 2 over 12 choosing 2. Okay. So you got 10 C2. Okay, so that's 45 over 66. Okay, and you can divide by 3, reduce by 3. So divide by 3, you get 15 over 22. Okay. Okay, for F, no blue. Okay, neither is blue. Okay, so here's blue. So non-blues are this over here. So there are 6 non-blues. Okay, so there are 6 non-blues. You want to get 2, and there are total of 12, and you want to get 2, right? So get your calculator. So 6 NCR2. Okay, you get 15 over 66. And you can reduce by 3, so you get 5 over 22. Okay. Okay, let's go to